Okay, good morning everyone. So today we will try to answer some of the exercises in your practice test. No? So we will just going to answer those problems in which most of you did not got the correct answer. Okay, so we will have for a number 2. Okay, so in number 2, in how many ways you can answer the following tests? Okay, a 10 item true or false test. Okay, now let us try to look on how we are going to answer the true or false test. The item number 1, we have 2 possible answers. Item number 2, we also have 2 possible answers. 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So therefore, applying multiplication rule, so item number 1, we have 2 possible answers. Applying multiplication rule. Item number 2, we also have 2 possible answers. Then item 3, we also have 2. Item 4, we have 2. Item 5, we have 2. Item 6, we have 2. Item 7, we have 2, 9, and 10. So this is basically equal to 2 to the power of 10, no? Because item 1, 2, 3, item 4, we have 2, and so on up to item 10. So therefore, the answer is just simply equal to 1024. And that's for letter A. For letter B, so if we have a multiple choice test, so 5 item multiple choice test with 3 options. So item number 1, we have 3 possible answers. Item 2, we have 3 possible answers. Item 4, 5, and 6. So that is basically 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, or 3 to the power of 5. So this one is just simply equal to 243 possible answers. Possible ways rather. Okay, for letter C, if we have 5 options, so for 5, if we have 5 options, that would be 4 options rather. So we have 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So that is basically 4 to the power of 5. And the answer would be 4 to the power of 5 is just simply equal to 1024 ways. And that's for item number 2. Now, for item number 3, okay, most of you got letter A and letter B, but we will try to answer letter C and letter D. No? We will try to answer letter C and letter D. So to answer letter C, okay, it says here if the passcode will form an even number where repetition is allowed. So for this case, we are going to address first the even number. So to address the even number, so we have how many even numbers ba in the 0 to 9? So we have 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So we have 5. So we will have 5 times. Then, since repetition is allowed, we have, so that will be, so there will be in the next one, so there will be 10 possible numbers. On the next one, we have 10 possible numbers, 10 possible digits times 10 possible digits. So therefore, 5 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, the answer will be equal to 50,000 ways. Now, for letter D, it says here it form a number divisible by 5. A number divisible by 5 for repetition is not allowed. Okay, so a number is divisible by 5 if it ends with either 0 or 5. So that is 2, right? So you have 2 possible numbers. Since digit are not allowed to be repeated, then if there are 10 digits all, then we have already used one, so the next one will be 9. Since the other one is being used, we have times 8, then times 7, times 6. So okay, so use your calculator to multiply that one. So we have, so what is that? So 2 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6, and the answer now is equal to 6,048 ways. So that's how we get that answer. Okay, so that is for item number 3. Now we will have, okay, most of you got number 4. Okay, we will just have, we will skip number 5 first, no? We will do number 6. Okay, we will do number 6. Okay, so we'll try to address number 6, no? Number 6 is an example of a circular permutation. So if we have 4 dating couples, so all in all you have 8, no? 8 persons. If everyone will sit anywhere on the table, so meaning there are no restrictions, so for letter A, we will just simply apply the formula for, for circular permutation, and that would be, so that would be for 6, letter A, so that would be 8 minus 1 factorial. So that is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 5 factorial is what? So we have, this is equal to 5,040 ways. Okay, so that is for number 6. For letter B, if every couple must sit together. So if every couple must sit together, so let us say if we have this round table, no? Let's say couple 1, couple 2, couple 3, couple 4. Couple 1, couple 2, couple 3, couple 4. Okay. So we have, if we take this, so that would be, we have 3 factorial. Now in every couple, they can sit at least in 2 ways, right? So in every couple, they can sit in 2 ways. Let us say male or female. And this one, they can arrange as male and female or female male. The same also on the rest one. So we can say times 2 to the power of 4. So this is now become 6 times 16. So we have 96 ways. So we can have 96 ways for letter B. For letter B. For letter C, it says here, every couple must not sit together. So if they must not sit together, that would just simply 5,040 minus, so if they must not sit together, that would be 5,040 minus 96, and we have, and that is 49. What is that? So we have 4944. Okay, so we have 4944 ways. So how about the next one? Letter D. So for letter D, where all male must sit together and all female must also sit together. So we say male, then female. So that will have 2 minus 1 factorial times, okay, since there are 4 males, so we have 4 factorial ways. Since we also have 4 females, no, there are 4 females, then we will also have 4 factorial ways. So therefore, this is 4 factorial. 1 factorial is 1. 4 factorial is what is 4 factorial? So that is 4 times 3 times 2. So that is 24 times 24. We have 596 ways. Let me confirm that. $576 ways. So we have 576 ways. And that's it. No, that's it. We will just continue the other numbers later. No, we will continue the other numbers later.